Hello everyone, in this video we'll be taking a look at the SCSeTools well drilling information, how we can actually update the drilling log information in SCS MobileTools and SCSeTools. So logging into the SCS MobileTools application, we actually are able to update the drill log information, and that does affect the site build information that actually shows up in the SCSeTools application. So in order to update that information, I'm going to go ahead and select the SCS maintenance section. We are going to select the project that we are trying to change the information for. So this demo will be using the eTools landfill. So we'll select it. Once that's been selected, I am going to scroll down and find the well that we are going to be working with this demonstration. And for this one, we'll be using the EW9. I'm going to select it. Once it's been selected, we can go down to the data entry section there at the bottom. We will select landfill. And then you have a couple different options here. There's the typical carbon monoxide, hydrogen, and hydrogen sulfide data entry here, as well as the well drilling installation option. Go ahead and select on well drilling and installation. This will show the location of the ID. And if you can scroll down, we can actually change the GPS location. If you're standing at it, you can go ahead and click on capture location. Ideally, this is for the drilling installation of a new well. This does not update the location on the maps for eTools. It's very important to note that. It will change the values that is in the drill log. So that's just reference though. So just so you know that if you update the GPS information, that does not affect the maps. The maps are completely separate. So if I scroll down here though, you'll see some of the design information. We can put the design firm name. Any of this information here, we can go ahead and enter. So let's put SCS as a design firm, the CQA firm name, surveying. All of this information here can be stored within SCSeTools. So if we go through and we look at the drilling, for example, you can see some information regarding the drilling. All the way up to the bore diameter, where the location of the seals were, so on, what type was actually used, so on and so forth. The construction section, top of casing to ground surfing. So this is a lot of the information that actually affects your liquid level readings to make sure that all of those reports and everything all come out and, you know, so that the calculations and everything work correctly for those reports. Again, there's a lot of different information here. This necessarily does not have to be filled out at one time. The thought of this is you can go back at any time if anything needs to be updated, or if you're taking that information while you're actually drilling the well, you can go back and actually put this in the application at a later time, or you can start, you know, as the drilling's going on and then update it, you know, take a lunch break or whatever's going on in the field, weather comes through, you can go back and say whatever you're doing and then come back and finish off wherever you started off at. All of this information here can be actually entered into the application, and then once you hit upload, it'll go ahead and fill in that information for you. We're going to put the completion time. You're going to use today's date, hit OK, and hit upload. And that's been uploaded into the system. Once that's been uploaded into the system, we can actually switch over here now to eTools. And again, logged into eTools, we'll select the project that we're working with. If we go over to the actual admin reports, you'll see that there is a well drilling report here. For any of you that have used eTools for a while, there was an older report that actually showed kind of our as-built that some people was using for a while, that actually showed all the configurations on our side you could download and everything. This is basically all of that information has been moved over to the well drilling. So if we select well drilling, there's a list of all of our IDs. Go ahead and create the report. And then I'm going to download this to the computer just so that we can see everything. There's quite a bit of information there. Open up this Excel file. And all of that information that we had the ability to enter there within MobileTools is stored here. So everything to do with the well, from, you know, what type of perforation they used, whenever the completion install date was, you know, the depth of everything, all of your drill information is included here in this report. Any information regarding the waste details, so regarding the like the temperatures of your spoils, all of that information is stored here as well under waste details, and then any backfill information, so the different types of backfill and things like that that you actually used while you were installing that well. All of that information is included on that separate tab at the bottom as well.
If you have any questions about this video or any video that we have made in the past, or if you just have general support questions, you can email us at support@SCSeTools.com. Our phone number is 866-612-6820, and our hours of operation is 8 o'clock Eastern Time to 5 o'clock Pacific, Monday through Friday. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.